In this video, I'll be solving January 2020, Paper 2, Question 2. Factorize the following expressions completely. Part A1, 5h squared minus 12hg for 1 mark. Now the HCF of these two terms here is h, and I'm going to divide each of the term by the HCF. So we have here 5h squared divided by h here is 5h, minus 12hg divided by h here is 12g. Part 2, they want us to factorize this quadratic equation, 2x squared minus x minus 6 for 2 marks. Now, we need to find two factors of AC whose sum is b. 2 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 12. Factors of 12, that will give us sum here of minus 1. I will use minus 4 and 3. So I'll write here 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. The HCF of the first two terms here is 2x. 2x squared divided by 2x is x, minus 4x divided by 2x is minus 2. I'm going to repeat the brackets here. X minus 2. Positive 3x divided by x here is positive 3. 3 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6. Factorizing all the brackets here, we have x minus 2, and putting the remaining terms in the bracket here, we have 2x plus 3. Part B, solve the equation r plus 3 is equal to 3 open brackets r minus 5 close brackets to 2 marks. So I'm going to write here r plus 3 is equal to 3 open brackets r minus 5. And I want to expand this bracket here. So r plus 3 is equal to 3r minus 15. And I'm going to put all the numbers on the left hand side, all the variables on the right hand side. So this becomes here 3 plus 15 is equal to 3r minus r. 15 plus 3 is 18 is equal to 3r minus r here is 2r. Divide by 2, divide by 2. R here is equal to 9. Part C, make here the subject of the formula for 2 marks. So they gave us here that 2a is equal to pi k squared plus 3t. I want to take this 3t to the left hand side of the equation. So this is 2a minus 3t is equal to pi k squared. Now I want to divide both sides of the equation by pi. Pi cancels. So switching this equation around, this becomes here k squared is equal to 2a minus 3t all over pi. Now to remove the square here, I need to take the square root on both sides of the equation. So this becomes here k is equal to the square root of 2a minus 3t all over pi. Part D, a farmer plants 2 crops, potatoes and corn on a 10-hectare piece of land. The number of hectares of corn planted C must be at least twice the number of hectares of potatoes P. Write 2 inequalities to represent the scenario above for 2 marks. So they told us here that the farmer plants 2 crops, potatoes and corn on a 10-hectare piece of land. So I could write here that potatoes plus corn is less than or equal to 10 hectares. This is the first inequality. They also told us here that the number of hectares of corn planted must be at least twice the number of hectares of potatoes. So I could say here that corn here is greater than or equal to 2p. This is the second inequality.